Greetings, students. Today, in this e-learning class of Social Studies, we shall proceed with Chapter 2, the Northern Mountains. In your previous class, you have studied about three parallel ranges of Himalayas. These are the Greater Himalaya or Himadri, the Middle Himalaya or Himachal, and the Outer Himalaya or Shivalik. Hope you all have understood very well by watching video part 1. Now, in part 2, we are going to study about the life in Himalayan ranges and the Purvanchal ranges. So, let's start with life in Himalayan ranges. Himalayan ranges consist of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling and some part of Arunachal Pradesh. Ladakh lies in Himalayan and Karakoram ranges. In these ranges, the main occupation of the people is farming. Here, people do terrace farming. Students, do you know what is terrace farming? I shall explain it. Terrace farming is done in hilly areas because there is a lack of plain land. People cut steps or terraces on the slopes of hills to hold water and to stop soil erosion. पानी को होल्ड करने के लिए and to stop soil erosion, people make steps and grow crops like rice, barley, potatoes, etc. They also do sheep rearing and wood carving. Now, we shall read about all these regions one by one in brief. First is Jammu and Kashmir. We all know about the beauty of Kashmir. It is called the heaven on the earth. It is famous for its apple orchards and saffron means kesar. Here, people wear firen means a long woolen gown and salwar kurta. They keep kangdi in their gowns to keep themselves warm. Beta, kangdi means a small earthen pot with burning coal. They drink kahwa means a special type of tea. There are many beautiful places of tourist attraction such as Srinagar, Gulmarg, Amarnath, Dal Lake, etc. Next is Ladakh. The Ladakh is also a beautiful attraction for tourists. The men in Ladakh wear goncha means a thick woolen attire and women wear kantop as similar to men. दोनों की dresses almost same होती है. These are their traditional dresses. The double-humped camels are also seen only in Ladakh. The Zanskar Valley, the Pangong Lake and Leh are the places of tourist attraction. Next, we will read about the life in Himachal Pradesh. Himachal includes Shimla, Dalhousie and Manali. In Himachal, men wear embroidered caps called Kullu caps and women wear scarves. Himachal is also known as Apple Bowl of India. It is also famous for woolen items, handicrafts, traditional jewelry and wooden items. Uttarakhand. This region is also famous for its tourist places like Mussoorie, Nainital, Haridwar, Dehradun, etc. It is the best known for its rivers and is the origin of many sacred rivers of India like Ganga and Jamuna. The main occupation of the people is agriculture. Wheat, sugarcane, pulses, oilseeds and a number of fruits are grown in this state. Lychee, basmati rice and sugarcane are the main crops of Uttarakhand. Sikkim. Sikkim is one of the smallest states in India. It is a part of eastern Himalaya. It is famous for oranges, cardamom means ilachi. Men and women wear loose gowns tightened at the waist named Baku. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Pelling and Gangtok are the famous tourist places of Sikkim. So this is all about the life in Himalayan ranges. Next we shall study about Purvanchal ranges. Purvanchal hill ranges are also known as northeastern hills. These hills are covered with forests and the hills here are not very high. मतलब यहाँ पे hills जो हैं वो बहुत ऊंची hills नहीं हैं. Our next topic is life in Purvanchal hill ranges. The Purvanchal hill ranges include the northeastern states, namely the eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. These are also called Seven Sisters. Here the people do farming and weaving. Now we shall read about the life in these states one by one. First is Arunachal Pradesh. It is famous for fruit orchards. People do weaving and make bamboo products like baskets, rugs, etc. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. It is also a beautiful tourist place. Nagaland. In Nagaland, people do wood carving means लकड़ी के ऊपर designing along with pottery means pot making. मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाना. Making bamboo baskets is the traditional handicraft of all these states. The people of Nagaland wear their traditional shawls with beautiful designs. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. It is a beautiful place of tourists. This state is also called the land of festivals. There are a number of tribes means बहुत सारी जाति के लोग हैं and each tribe had its own rituals and traditions. Music and dance are the fundamental parts of their lives. Manipur. A variety of fruits like lychee, walnut, chestnut, papaya, etc. are grown in Manipur. Imphal is the capital of Manipur and it is also a beautiful place to visit. Manipuri dance is very famous. People wear beautiful traditional dresses. Mizoram. This state is famous for rose cultivation. People make silk from silkworms. Chapchar Kut is a famous spring festival of Mizoram. It is held every year in the month of March. Our next state of northeastern area is Tripura. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Here people speak Bangla and Kokborok. They make beautiful things with jute, rubber and bamboo. Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Here people belong to Garo, Khasi and Janitia tribes and they also speak Garo and Khasi. The Strawberry Festival is a big tourist attraction. So this is all about the northeastern hills including Seven Sisters. There are some similarities that wood carving, making bamboo products, pottery, etc. are the main occupation of this range. Now students, after watching this video, read the chapter once again for better understanding. Thank you. Good day.